Do you want to start making money on YouTube, but you're kind of lazy? You don't want to go out there, spend a ton of time creating videos and stuff like that, but you still want to do it and make money, preferably without showing your face? If yes, then this video is going to be amazing because I'm going to show you 5 channels for lazy people, right? Lazy people, without showing your face. So if you're interested in that, keep watching and let's just dive in. Starting off right away with channel number 1, this is a drawing channel. Now don't worry, you don't actually need to draw because there are softwares and people that will do this for you. Now this channel is called Learn Step by Step. If I scroll down, I can show you what this video, what these videos actually look like. So how to draw a house, easy step by step. 7.3 million views posted 11 months ago. So this video is probably going to hit 10 million really soon. But if I click on that video, you'll see what this actually looks like and how they're doing this. So if I just click right there, you'll see that this kind of looks weird, right? It doesn't look real. It's kind of like weird. And that's because this is actually made with a software. So all of this is done with a software. This is not actually someone actually drawing and filming himself, but this is actually done automatically with softwares. Now, if I skip through, you'll see that all he's gonna do is pretty much gonna draw a house, or he's not gonna do that because it's done. But as you can see, that's the progress of drawing this house, and then there you go. Now, the reason these videos actually get views is because people might wanna actually draw a house as well, or kids like 10 years old, maybe 13, 12, whatever, are actually watching this type of content. Now you might be wondering, would you be able to should you label it as made for kids? No, because it's just like how to draw a house. That could be for anyone, not specifically a kid. So you can see that all of these are actually focused on like easy drawings or like famous things. For example, like a donut. You can see this one, a cloud, Minecraft, how to draw sensei. So you can see that this is a drawing channel that is making a lot of money. You can see they get 2.7 million views in the last 30 days. Last week was a record week for them in the last like quarter or so, or like year. What is this? Yeah, last year, almost 1 million views in a week. You can see 100k views a day. So even with a $1 RPM or maybe a $2 RPM, that's like $3 up to $6k every single month with a channel like this. Now, basically what you can do is go to Google and type in automatic drawing software, and you'll find a lot of softwares right there that will actually help you out with this. Now, if that's not going to work out for you, or you simply don't even want to do that, what you can do is go to Fiverr and then order videos. So a friend of mine actually did this as well, and he was able to get those videos done for like $5 a video or even less. So I'm not quite sure. I can't remember, but they are somewhere in here. So I'm not gonna like actually find this right now because there's so many gigs on Fiverr. But if you type in drawing videos or like whiteboard drawing videos, oh yeah, there we go. I will create a hand drawing video for, you can see. So this might not be the right one for you, but you can see there's so many people out there on Fiverr that are actually willing to do that for you. So overall, this niche is very easy. You don't need to do much. You don't need to show your face. You just need to draw or have a software draw a simple vector image, whatever it is that you want to draw. Then the second one is a reacting format. Now this format right here is actually very good because I've not seen many people do it yet, and you can apply it to any niche. So I'm going to show you in the football niche. However, you can do this with celebrities, you can do this with like TikTok drama, which is kind of like the same, but you can do this with so many things that this is going to work out great, even though you might not be interested in football specifically. Basically what this is, guys, is that it's reacting to whatever. So reacting to X. For example, if you're into football, you'll know that Lionel Messi actually went from FC Barcelona to PSG, and that is huge. Like in the football world, that is huge. So this actually caused a lot of drama and also a lot of people to react. So you can see that all of these famous people, right? All of these are famous football players, like the top players, are actually reacting to that specific event. So Lionel Messi went from FC Barcelona to PSG, and all of these people started reacting on Twitter, on Instagram. So what you can do, and please, once again, don't like actually look at this specifically. Think about it as a concept, as a format, so that you can apply it to anything. So what you can do is simply find pictures, right, from these two people that are reacting to each other, or just one person or whatever. Use that as the background image, cut out the tweet or the post on Instagram and pretty much start doing a voiceover on that. I wouldn't recommend doing this without voiceover, so I would still do a voiceover myself, but what you could do is simply do like, okay, so Ivan Rakitic reacted with Leo, was an honor to play by your side all these years. Thank you for everything you did for this great club that is FC Barcelona. Your legacy is invaluable, blah, blah, blah. So you pretty much start reading out the text or the reactions, and that is pretty much it. Now you can see this video has 47k views. That is pretty decent. Now what you can do is footballers react to, and then you can see so many. I'm just doing this so that I can see some kind of videos that are actually, yeah, there we go. Footballers react to Christian Eriksen, and then that event, right? 788k views, 788k views. So you can see that that is how that works. Now, once again, what you need is a specific event. It doesn't need to be football. It can be TikTok drama, like Drake beefing with Kanye, right? You can do so many different things. So you would do Drake reacts to Kanye XYZ, right? And then you would pretty much get these tweets. You would gather all of these tweets, all of the backlash, all of the info, and you would start reading out that specific thing to pretty much explain to the viewer what is happening within that specific event. Now that right there is a huge format that I can see working really, really well. So if you want to go into that, I highly recommend it. So yeah, that's pretty much that. Channel idea number 3 is the walking videos. Now this one is crazy because this literally requires zero work apart from walking. So if you're lazy, you need to walk, kind of weird, right? However, what I'm trying to say with like labeling this as a lazy channel is that you don't need to do much. You don't need to do any crazy editing. You don't need a voiceover. You don't need scripting. You don't need none of that. What you need to do is go out there, walk, and film it. Now, this is not going to work for everyone. This depends on your location. This is location targeted. So what you can see here is a video called Walking Barcelona's famous La Rambla at night. Now you can see this is in Catalonia in Spain. However, this channel is doing this all over the place, and basically what they're doing, there's so many channels like this. They're pretty much walking and filming wherever they are, right? So Tower Bridge, London, and then they're pretty much they're being there, they're walking, and they're filming that, which is easy to do in terms of filming, right? The only thing crucial for this is location. You need to be in a good spot that actually makes sense and that is interesting for people to watch, right? That is pretty much that. Now, it's kind of funny because I was actually in Spain, as you guys know, as some of you guys know, like 2 days ago even. I came back 2 days ago, but I was in Benidorm. Now, what you can see is that this channel is doing summer vibes, Shore Fun Benidorm. They're pretty much filming the beach on Benidorm, and this is the exact same beach that I was on, and this channel is blowing up. 100k in 4 weeks, 84k, 55k, 45k, 41k, all within specific days or a week ago. So that is pretty crazy. You can see they're getting 500,000 views right now, and they're actually blowing up. They blew up quite fast as well, and they pretty much keep that going. So what you can see is that they're getting pretty decent views for just filming. Now you can do this within any location. Once again, it really depends on the location you're in. For example, if you're in some random country, for example, I'm in the Netherlands in a small city. If I go out here and pretty much start filming, I don't feel like many people are going to care. So that's not going to work out great. But if you're in a specific location, that is going to be great. Or maybe you're really close to Barcelona, or you live really close to London, or a big city outside of Europe. What you can do is just take a train, do research, see how many videos you can make there, or how many like famous things, interesting things are out there, record all of them in a day, then come back and start uploading them. That could be a great move. However, this is pretty much that. So it's pretty much walking and filming, and that's it. And then channel idea number 4 is the book summary niche. Now this right there is a great niche because you can make unlimited videos because there's so many books out there, and there are new books being created every single day, so you'll never run out of content. However, what I mean by book summary is pretty much a book summary. Makes sense, right? So basically what this is it's a video going over a book. Now right there, you cannot actually read out the book or whatever, but you have to create a summary. You can do that yourself, or you can just go to Google, find summaries. Don't actually use those, but pretty much read those summaries and then pretty much rewrite them in your own words. So don't actually go out there, find a summary and then copy that exact one. Go out there, find it, and then just rewrite it or make your own summary out of that summary, if that makes sense. So basically what they're doing, once again, summaries and then animation or whiteboard videos. What you can do is use a tool called Beyond. You can try this for free. They've got a free trial. After that, it's quite pricey, but it works. It works great. In fact, I'll actually show you. I'll go to the template library that you can use this to do whiteboard animations, normal animations, pretty much anything you need, right? So for example, you might want to have, let's see, you might just want to have a normal animation. I'm just going to click right there. They've got all of these templates that you can use, and then this is what they look like, right? So they're pretty cool animations with like people in there, like vectors, graphics, animation, stuff like that. And that is really cool to make a video like that. So this right there is a good software. It's got a free trial. Check it out. I'm not getting paid to say this or whatever. I won't leave a link down below. Check it out. It's called Beyond. And you can use that to create any kind of animation. Not even a book summary. You can do this within any niche. And then the final niche is the ASMR no talking niche. Now ASMR is actually, as you guys know, really popular. However, there are so many different categories within ASMR. So basically what that means is that you've got just normal people, of course normal people, just like doing random stuff, not showing their voice or using their voice, not showing their face, and they're just filming a specific thing that makes a specific noise. So you might know ASMR from people like talking into the microphone and doing like all of this stuff, but that is not necessary. You can see these people literally do anything that makes whatever sound that seems to be satisfying, right? And that is pretty much that. So you can do this within so many things. Once again, you don't even like have to show your face. You can order a microphone, start making weird noises on the microphone with your fingers or pretty much whatever, right? And that is pretty much how that works. Honestly, I'm not too much into this stuff, as you guys can probably tell, but there are so many opportunities in here. So for example, if I do no talking, and then you can see massage, right? So if I click on that, we'll get to see all of these, and all of these people are doing so many like videos a week, videos a day, whatever, and they're pulling in so much views just from these simple videos. So this requires you to make money on YouTube from home, wherever you want to do this, but you don't need to spend time like editing, doing a voiceover, like actually trying to find good clips, stuff like that. None of it. You just film, you make the sounds, and that is it. Okay, and these are the 5 niches that I want to share with you. My favorite one is the reacting format, where X is actually reacting to whatever, right? So whoever is reacting to whoever doing this and that. So specific events that can blow up because you can use the audience from those famous people. So if this video helped you out, guys, please go ahead and leave a like on the video. Thank you so much, and then I'll see you next time. Have a good day.